Why do so many seniors fall, even when they feel fine? And what can you do today to protect your strength? In this video, I'll show you 3 simple balance exercises that could change everything. Are you afraid of falling or getting injured? You're not alone. Many seniors feel the same way. As we age, even simple things like walking across the room or standing up from a chair can become risky. But here's something you may not know. 1 in 4 seniors over 65 falls every year. And falls are the #1 reason older adults lose their independence. In fact, many seniors move to assisted living not because of illness, but because they can no longer trust their balance. But the good news? There's a simple way to fight back. And today, I'll show you exactly how. Do you want to stay independent and don't injure yourself? Keep watching. So why should you keep watching? Because balance is freedom. If you want to stay healthy, live on your own terms, and enjoy your life, you need to protect your balance. And the best part? You don't need a gym, expensive equipment, or hours of training. Just 3 simple exercises that anyone can do at home. Exercise 1, heel raises. Let's start simple with heel raises. This exercise strengthens your calves and improves your ankle stability. 2 key factors in balance and fall prevention. Here's how to do it. Stand tall with your feet about hip width apart. Place your hands lightly on the wall for support. Now, slowly lift both heels off the ground. Pause for a second at the top. Then lower your heels back down with control. That's 1 rep. Start with 10 slow repetitions and work up to 2 rounds. Tip: try not to rush. The slower you move, the more your balance systems are activated. Exercise 2, 1 leg stand. Now let's challenge your balance a little more. With the 1 leg stand, how to do it. Stand behind a chair and place 1 hand on it for support. Lift 1 foot just slightly off the ground, not too high. Hold this position for up to 10 seconds, then switch legs. Repeat 3 times on each side. Over time, try to rely less on the chair, but never sacrifice safety. Tip: tighten your core gently and focus your eyes on a fixed point to stay steady. Exercise 3, sit to stand. This move builds real-world strength because it mimics something you do every day. Here's how it works. Sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Stretch your arms out in front of you. Now lean slightly forward and rise up to a full standing position. Then slowly sit back down with control. That's 1 rep. Do 5 to 10 reps, depending on your current strength. Bonus tip: if this is too difficult, place a firm cushion on the chair to raise the seat height. Why do seniors fall, even when they feel fine? You might feel steady right now, but here's what most people don't realize. After 60, your muscles, especially the ones that control balance, begin to shrink. Not all at once, quietly, day by day. And it's not just about muscle. Your inner ear, your joints, even your vision, all work together to keep you upright. When just one of those systems weakens, your brain has to work harder to keep you balanced. And often, it can't keep up, especially in a sudden moment like standing up quickly or stepping off a curb. That's why falls often seem to come out of nowhere. It's not clumsiness, it's biology. But here's the good news. You can train your balance systems just like you train muscles. And the 3 exercises you just learned, they target the exact areas that quietly fade with age. Heel raises activate the ankles and calves, your first line of defense when you wobble. 1 leg stands retrain your brain to stay centered and alert, even with less sensory input. Sit to stands restore lower body strength and coordination, making real-life movements safer. These are not just exercises. They're signals to your body: wake up, get stronger, stay balanced. And done consistently, they can reverse the hidden decline that leads to most falls. How to turn these into a daily habit. Now that you know what to do, here's how to make it stick, even if you're busy or forgetful. Start small. You don't need 30 minutes. Just 3 minutes a day is enough to make a difference, especially if you do it consistently. Best time of day? Attach it to something you already do. After brushing your teeth, after your morning coffee, before your afternoon walk. This is called habit stacking, and it works because it fits into your life without needing extra willpower. How often? Aim for at least 5 days a week, but even 3 times per week can start rebuilding the muscles and reflexes that protect you from falls. Track your progress. Put a calendar or checklist on your fridge. Every day you do the 3 exercises, mark an X. Seeing your progress builds motivation. What if I miss a day? Don't worry. Just pick it up the next day. Consistency doesn't mean perfection. It means you keep showing up. Make it enjoyable. Play your favorite music in the background. Stretch near a sunny window, or do it with a friend or partner. It helps with accountability and connection. Did you love this video? Then hit subscribe and tap the like button, so you never miss a simple tip to stay strong, safe, and independent. Which of these 3 balance exercises will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your answer. And remember, staying strong starts with just one small step.